Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Helmets.
Number 5.
BikerHelmets.com SOA-inspired motorcycle helmet. No more mushroom head. Join the 50,000 plus riders who have been wearing our helmets since 2008. With an ultra-low profile, it sits low and snug on your head, the smallest and lightest shell size ever made. Meets or exceeds FMVSS No. 218 standards. Quick release adjustable straps for easy helmet removal. Sizing. Our helmets fit differently. Please verify your size with our sizing chart. Note: helmets are quite snug when brand.
Number 4.
The Blister 888XXSM. Low profile. Micro. Helmets are the smallest, lightest and thinnest certified helmets made. With an ultra-low profile, it sits low and snug on your head, the smallest, lightest and thinnest shell size ever made. All styles meet or exceed FMVSS No. 218 certified standards. A quick release adjustable straps makes for easy on and off experience. Sizing. Measure your head. Micro. Helmets run large. Measure your head to confirm your proper size using the
Number 3.
Skidlet original helmet, flat black, large. Clean, minimalist styling. Thermoplastic alloy injected shell. Retention straps with D-rings. Meets or exceeds standards. Clean, minimalist styling.
Number 2.
Low profile novelty Harley Chopper motorcycle half helmet. Does not meet standards, not a helmet. Quality matte black finish, low profile helmet. Fiberglass shell, not plastic like others are selling. Cushioned inside liner, creating a nice section so helmet won't ride up. Padded chin strap with quick release ratchet clip, quality clip, not cheap clip.
Number 1.
Torque T5515 LG21 Black T55 Spec OP motorcycle half helmet. 2 outer shell sizes for proper scale and appearance. Intermediate oval head shape. Integrated drop-down sun visor. Washable antimicrobial technical fabric inner comfort padding with removable cheek pads. DOT approved. Meet Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard, FMVSS, 218.